All right, YouTube, so I went and modified this gap fire to cook on it. Stay tuned, I'll show you how to make it, and I'll give you my thoughts about it at the end. It may not be what you think it is. All right, so stay tuned.
Like any fire, wood choice is key. For this build, hardwood is preferable, you don't have to split. I used this wood choice because I didn't want to waste my good firewood, and I split it because I enjoy the workout. The build is quite straightforward. The one extra step I took besides drilling the holes to allow the flame through was to flatten out a space so that my cookware would not tip over. After that, what you do is up to you. You can cook, boil, and serve whatever you wish and makes you happy. But in this video, of course, my dog gets his fair share, and all is well.
I want that quick foley. All right, guys, as you saw, this is fairly easy to make. It's the same exact way as you make a gap fire as I've shown before. The only difference is I drilled a hole in it to let the flame come through the top. Am I a big fan of this? No, but sensation sells, okay? For me, I'm too impatient. The amount of time it took for me to make this, which actually was not that long, but it took a long time to cook this food. This goes in the same category as a Swedish log fire, right? The Swedish candle fire that everyone loves to show. I don't like that one either. I think they're party tricks, all right? This is cool. I think if I have like a big cool cookout coming, I got all my friends coming over tonight, all that shit, I would make this very long with a whole bunch of holes because it looks neat. But if I'm just out by myself, I'm just gonna throw a whole bunch of sticks together and I'm just gonna cook that way. Okay, I just don't have the patience for that, but that's me. Maybe y'all think differently. Maybe y'all really love this fire, and I hope you do. And I encourage everyone to go out and try this out, try different woods, try carving it differently. That's what this community is for, okay? I'm only one brain. Everybody's only one. I don't have all the answers, but that's what y'all are for. Say down in the comments. Maybe you have a better idea. I was thinking if I was to do this again, I would split this log where I have a gap roughly this big, run the whole length on either side. Probably work out better and faster as opposed to drilling 2 holes or as many holes as I want. Hey, to each their own. So, but that's why we train. We have to test these skills as well as we test any piece of gear and see if it works for us. Some of these skills were developed in certain parts of the world, and that's where they work best. A lot of what is developed in the Arctic don't work very well in the jungle and vice versa. So, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Oh, shit. So until next time, stay trained, stay sharp, and stay alive, and Sigma 3 out. Thank you very much.